Yes, family, our chicken is finished, and we turned off our flame probably about 10 minutes ago. We have left it to rest. When it's finished, you have to turn off the flame, leave it inside the skillet or the pot, whatever you use to roast it, and let it stay for about 10 minutes and let it rest. Let all the flavors gel right in. Now it's gonna be a little challenge here. We wanna get this nice little sexy girl out and about. Okay, y'all? We want to get her right out whole presentation wise. We want to get her just like we put her in there. So we're gonna have a little challenge, y'all. So so you need your spatula or your spatula, and you proceed to put it on. It's juicy now, you know. Let me use two, and let me try to get the plate nearer. Camera girl, get right in. It's finished, so it's more juicier. Okay, hold on, family. Just give me a bit. Let me just remove this a bit, and then I'll have space. Okay, y'all. Yeah, this is it. So we're gonna try to get her out as we put her in. So you're gonna lift, which I don't want her breaking. Please don't. Ooh, she almost did, but we just made it. That beautiful baby. No problem. You can just clean the edges. That is always an issue. Trying to get things right over here. Look at her. Look at her. Just take a good look at her, y'all, while I get the edges of the plate clean all around. Let me use my damn cloth. It's doing better. And there you have it, family. Your pot roast chicken. Juicy and nice. Juicy and tender. Now right over here, get in camera girl. We have some oil. Now you know the chicken went in with the skin. So right here, you know, we're gonna try to get off most of our oil. Because you know, for some people, I'm just doing this for some people that loves gravy. Because you know, some people love a lot of gravy, and right inside this pot here, we're gonna get our flame out. And we have, as always, step back, we have our boiling water. So we're gonna proceed to put in some, leave it to come to a boil with all of these nice juices, all of these niceness inside the pot here. We're gonna get them right around, all this niceness here. We're gonna leave it to boil. We're looking some gravy. That is for you all who like gravy. And you just put a little of your ketchup just for thickening. Who love to use cornstarch can probably do that. Well, I very rarely use cornstarch. And we had a little of the base that we make, and nothing is wrong. We're putting it in right there. And we're stirring it together right inside this pot here, where all everything was. You're gonna get it come to a boil. Now when it's finished boiling and come together as a gravy, you might just want to strain it off, because you have some little particles. So to get that smooth, nice gravy, we might have to strain it off. So let it stay there. So we're going to taste now the salt perfection and flavor and stuff, which should be good. Yes, and it is marvelous. So we're going to leave it there, and we're coming right back over there. Now, we're going to test out that boy. This girl, no, she's a sexy girl, y'all. I made a mistake. I'm sorry, y'all. This sexy girl. So we have here inside, this is the leg and thigh, and this is the breast. And you can proceed for whatever part you like. Right over here. Look at this nice, thick, rich gravy. Yeah. And as I say, you can probably just lower your flame. Nice, thick, rich gravy. So you can proceed to use to whatever part you like. You have the breast here. You can slice it, yes, with your serrated knife. I'm just gonna do a few of those, let you see, to see that it's properly cooked. Wow. Wow, so you can slice off a few slices of your breast. You can leave it for chicken sandwiches. The wing is here, okay? Right, this is the leg and thigh. And you can take off piece, okay? So it is so succulent, it is so nice, it is so properly done. Nobody don't have to ask if it done. And look at the other side, y'all. Okay, now I have here some real herbsy yellow rice. And you can serve up this with some nice herbsy yellow rice. And if you want me all to do the video for the yellow rice, you can leave your comments below, or you can leave your request, so to speak, below. We have some nice herbsy yellow rice right here, so you can dish up some of that. Yes, you can put it. This is dinner for like how many? Nice herbsy yellow rice to go with your pot roast chicken, y'all. Okay, and there you have it. From my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your plate, to your stomach. It's roast chicken on top of your stove. Right here, look at it. Look at your gravy. Look at your gravy. Look at your gravy. BGG boss, to the rescue, sir. And all of you who requested this roast chicken, and I know all who did not. Okay, y'all. Now, I'm going to taste. Me's going to yam some. Okay, gravy is finished. So, which part should I take? I want to taste a little piece of the breast, because the breast is always best. You men remember that. The fam, you see how my cheek go along in there. Come on now. Come on now, fam. You see how my cheek go along in there. It's good, it's juicy, it's succulent. I do want a little of this rice. Yes. And I'm getting very busy because I need the wing. I want to get a wing. If I can't get a wing, I will take another piece of the breast. Come right in, camera girl. Come right in. This is how the breast looks, and this is the thickest. This is always the part that gives trouble. Look at it, right in, y'all. Yes, and I'm taking a few slices of my breast. Roast chicken. Yeah. And look at this. This is my gravy, y'all. Yes. And you know I've got to heat some for you. From my kitchen to yours again. Made a mess there. There you have it. Your roast chicken. It came off. I didn't even have to cut it. It came off in its 4 separate pieces. Roast chicken done right inside your skillet on top of your stove. And if you have liked this video, family, please try this. I owe you all this yellow rice video. I'm going to do it for you because I know you're going to need it. And you know what happened? The yellow rice goes well with the pot roast chicken. Nice and herbsy, succulent chicken. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to share the videos. I see you're doing that. And I'm challenging you all to let me get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of September. Remember, I promised you a bonus, and your bonus is coming up, y'all. That bonus, I know I'm going to love it, you know. And I know nobody not saying to me, not trying to get a little into what bonus is. Please to think, put on your thinking caps. Roast chicken. Inside your, let me clean. I don't like to present anything with any mess. I honestly don't. You don't know me, none of them type there. Let me clean. I ate it, even though I did it. I hate it so much. So there you have it. From my kitchen, from my little Jamaican kitchen to yours. Roast chicken. And I'm serving it up with some yellow rice. Christmas dinner coming up, you all. Different types of menus. All of that we're going to get heen. Debbie from Donga Yard, are you heen?